Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add products in Odoo, and it will be a quick step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are already landed in our Odoo platform and we have an account over that place. So here when you will land it to Odoo platform and that place, you just need to be select the inventory. So find it out, where is the inventory. So I will click over here inventory, then I will click to the start now, it's free. Then I will create an inventory account over here. So I will give the name, that will be we are digital. This is will be my company name. I will click to the start now. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes to complete the process. Once it's done, then you will redirect to the dashboard panel. So let's see the platform you will ever needed to transfer all your activities. That's great. So just give patience to complete the process. So when it will be done, we are able to click on inventory. So we just need to be activate our database. So I will visit to the mailbox. Here I will get the mail, I'm sure. So yes, we already get. So here you can see this is the mail we got. So this is not the main mail, so we just need to be keep patience. So let's wait a bit. So did not get the mail, so I will click over here again and then resend again. So an activation email has been successfully sent, check your spam. Okay, yeah, we already get it. So I'll click to this button, click, and it will take a couple of minutes to load. Then here actually it already been done, so I will skip it and go to wearedigitalodoo.com, and from that place I will select inventory, and here in this inventory we are going to upload our product. Just click to the product and then click to the product, and here I will click to the new. Once I click over here, I will keep the name, that will be laptop DX, and then it will be a good. Then the price will be 25,000, and you can give a cost also. You can set a category goods, then give a reference. You can provide a barcode. I will give a random one. Then here you can track the inventory. If you feel to add, then you can add image. Let's download a laptop image here, then download it and click to the image. I will download this one. Okay, let's open in the new tab and I'll save it here, and I'll make sure the name will be laptop and then download. And from that place I'll click this one and I'll upload it here, and it will take a couple of minutes. Once it's done, then go to the inventory. Here you can see we have the weight. You can provide the weight if you fail to add it. Once you feel that all are done, then just click to this one here, this one manually to save this one. So let's click over here, save manually, and it already been saved. So let's come back to our products option again. Just click to the product, and here actually you can see our product already been uploaded. So this way you can add your product on Odoo. This is the easiest and simplest way. I hope you love this video, and if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.